What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Phones and Drones. We have a new one for you guys today. Yeah, with this baby right here, the new refresh 2024 Tesla Model 3 long range. Let's take a look. So as you guys can see right off the bat, plenty of new physical cues to define this new refresh. No new aero ducts as was on the outgoing model. New headlights, no more fog lights at the bottom. Yeah, this baby looks great. So let me turn this around for you guys. As we're saying, this is definitely probably one of the best looking mini Model S's that they could have come up with. So I really am a fan of this sleek looking front. These new headlights are the first call outs that really draw you in. The hood itself here has a stronger slope to it to basically improve the coefficient of drag. It's much lower now, gives you that better range in combination with those new 18-inch tires, new aero covers that go along with it. I really think these do look really good as well. It's almost like a matte black here, and yeah, definitely sharp. Beyond that, unsurprisingly, hardware for cameras, as you would assume, all around the vehicle. As you can probably see, it has that little red tint to differentiate those. Still matte black door handles, and obviously the changes around back with that new fully integrated solid LED light that goes up now with the trunk showing you it's one piece. Same storage, nothing new here. As you can see, very good, plenty of room. You have your cubbies over here on the left and on the right for storage. And again, underneath here, unsurprising, nothing new. It is powered thanks to some of those new technologies that Tesla keeps rolling out. You actually do have that auto open trunk if you stand behind it, thanks to that software update. So thanks to Mint Mobile for partnering with us on this video. We want to let you know they have a great promotion going on right now for 3 months of premium unlimited service for only $15 a month. That's $45 for 3 months of unlimited usage on their network, which in fact actually is under the T-Mobile umbrella. So you're getting great nationwide coverage in the majority of places that you go or travel. So if you're testing out your new Model 3 or driving a Cybertruck or any other vehicle, you can actually drive around confidently knowing you're going to have great nationwide coverage. We do use them personally. If you're new to the channel, we've been using them for a while now, and yeah, the service is all that it's cracked up to be. It is a Monovo carrier of T-Mobile, and their service is spectacular. They do support eSIM and physical SIMs. They'll actually send you a physical SIM for free if you need, and the customer service through the app via chat or calling up has been phenomenal. Thanks again, Mint Mobile, for partnering with us on this video. Going into the vehicle, let me take a seat back here. As you can see here, let me actually pause this. So, the new basic backseat 8-inch touchscreen looks really good. It gets all of the new features as the front does with those updates from the most recent software version. Talking about the trip destination timer, traffic along the way, the route, it's all here as well. Not too new or surprising, but this is a nice rear display nonetheless. You do have 2 USB-C ports, and here a nice little tray out back for storage if you so choose. And let me actually kind of back up for you guys. I am right about 5'10", and I have plenty of room here for my legs. Obviously, if you need to sit a third person back here, plenty of room here. These are not cooled. They are simply heated seats on the passenger side rear and the driver's side rear. And of course, you have your cup holder here if you want to use that. Or you can have, obviously, that third person, but the third part of the seat is not heated. And as you can see, let's go ahead and go up. Same glass roof we're used to, and even not, since it has a separate bar here, but it does continue back beyond that. Not new to a Model 3, but a Model S is differentiated because it does have one piece glass roof. This still has 2. Let's jump around the front. I will call out the new material here as well that they're using is really nice. It does feel great. Those accent lights that we were talking about earlier, they make a difference. 17 speaker sound system, and that sounds amazing as is. The new glass before we go in the vehicle is also amazing here. It is double paned and definitely helps massively to quiet down the road noise that you've heard in the past on here. It is really, really nice and does make a big difference. Again, this is why Tesla's Tesla. The closure here with this new latch that you get gives it a much more solid sounding closed door. And let's go ahead and close it just so you guys can hear it. Nice solid thud. And it gives you a deduction, or I should say a reduction in road noise just because of that seal that you're getting out of that. You have this nice new material, some kind of fabric right up here that wraps around, obviously. And let's sit down in here. And this does really feel like a cockpit thanks to that ambient lighting strip that goes all the way across, as you see here, from the driver's side to the passenger side, and then even around the back as well. Also, obviously, this is now running version 12, just like our Cybertruck does. And I will tell you, this new software on this and the new power behind this GPU, CPU, all of it is amazing. Tesla's always had some of the best software here, and it still shows very, very nice just how well this is. The interactions are the same as any other Tesla, especially all the other Highland refreshes or any other model as is. So we're not going to spend too much time on the software in this video. Subscribe to the channel and we will do a deeper dive here in the near future. Now, having said that, this is the long range refresh. So you are getting about 330 miles, EPA rated miles. I'll say we know how well that works out in real life driving. So we'll have to put it to the test. There have been a lot of people commenting that it is actually more true to life than it ever has been in the past. Next big thing to touch on is this baby right here, the new steering wheel that Tesla has brought in. No stalks, as you can see. They did away with them. It's all now done on display, as you can see here, just like every other Tesla vehicle basically at this point. But happy to say we have a horn here. Your turn signals are now here. Unsurprising, it looks great. You have your high beams or your headlights in general, the ability to actually customize your scroll wheel to move and customize your sound volume, etc., etc. You have your cameras available right here. You have your set speed. You have your windshield wiper button and your voice command button right here. It is basically a full wheel, as you can see. I have to say, after coming from a Model S with a yoke and a Cybertruck with that kind of flatter steering wheel, I do much more prefer one of those over the actual wheel at this point. However, it is what it is. It does take a little bit getting used to again, especially coming from the steer-by-wire system, but nonetheless, this baby is awesome. I really can't tell you enough too how well this right here seriously looks on this display. Everything looks phenomenal. The display looks good, and V12 is amazing. So moving on beyond that, nothing new, but you have your two charging ports here. Same deep storage compartment you had before. If you go back again, your two cup holders. This does not slide back, just to keep in mind. You do have your cigarette lighter vent in there. And then obviously, let me switch hands here for you. You guys can see your other storage right in here with another USB type C plug right there. So there's 3 in the vehicle, 1 up front, 2 in the back like we showed you. This definitely, thank God, is not piano black anymore. For those of you longtime followers of the channel, you know we did have a 2018 Model 3, Standard Range Plus at the time. Does not do it justice for what this is here and what Tesla has accomplished. I am definitely a fan, 100% for this new vehicle. It just looks so much more premium. You have your lumbar support if you so choose to use that. Let me back off over here. I gotta say, looking at this vehicle again from the outside, especially from the side profile as you can see here, it looks just like the outgoing Model 3 did. However, this baby, yeah, It looks amazing, and that is the shot right there. That is the angle that really differentiates this from last generation's model. Huge fan. Gotta keep saying it. Love it. Definitely is a mini Model S. Everything people have said about it stands true. This is the way to go. If you are looking for a first EV or just a new Model 3, yeah, it's the end of quarter, plenty of deals. There's no more referral programs, so this is my true and honest opinion. I would definitely pick one up if you're looking at it. This is, it's hard not to go for a Model 3, especially a long range right now, thanks to the price, the lease incentives they have. Unfortunately, it doesn't qualify for the $7,500 tax credit right now if you were to purchase it. But if you don't care about that, or it doesn't apply to you, this is the way to go, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. We'll have plenty of more coverage on this here in the near future. Let me turn this around. I gotta tell you, huge fan of this. Worth the wait. We originally were gonna get the performance like we said, but this came available. Super happy to save that price. Yeah, let us know in the comments, what do you guys think? Thanks for watching. Stay tuned, thumbs up, turn those notifications on. A ton more coverage is coming in the very near future. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.